Welcome to Techno English. In this channel, we will use science to learn English. This video aims to provide a basic overview of our solar panels, and we will make series of videos on solar panels. Stay tuned to find out. Sun is a major source of heat and light, and for millions of years Earth has received sunlight and will receive till our sun dies out. Solar power is a conversion of sunlight into electricity. We have two main methods: directly using these PV panels, indirectly using concentrated solar powers. A photovoltaic cell, commonly called a solar cell or PV, is a technology used to convert solar energy directly into electricity. A photovoltaic cell is usually made from silicon alloys. Particles of solar energy known as photons strike the surface of photoelectric cell between two semiconductors. These semiconductors exhibit a property known as the photoelectric effect, which causes them to absorb the photons and release electrons. The electrons are captured in the form of an electric current, in other words, electricity. If we talk about the types of solar panels, we have three types: monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin films. Monocrystalline and polycrystalline are widely used and a preference for homes, commercials, and for small industries. We will introduce you with these two, and in next video session we will perform practicals on these. Monocrystalline solar panels are of higher efficiency compared to polycrystalline. Cost of monocrystalline is higher as its efficiency is higher than polycrystalline, while monocrystalline life cycle is higher compared to polycrystalline. Polycrystalline solar panels are bluish in color, a small hack to identify these, but mono are in black. Mono are clearly shaped or cut in slices, or in other words, their manufacturing is of great concern. As mono has higher efficiency, so places where solation space is less, we prefer monocrystalline, not polycrystalline. Monocrystalline are more efficient in higher temperatures, and polycrystallines are efficient in lower temperatures. In case of low light or cloudy atmosphere, monocrystalline still generates output, but polycrystalline fails to produce so. For instance, let's test polycrystalline open circuit voltages in room and monocrystalline open circuit voltages in room. It is clear that mono is of more efficiency and generates output in even room, where its energy source is some light bulbs. That's all for this introductory video. In next video, we will see differences between these two in depth by performing some experiments, and we will try to find out their open circuit voltage, short circuit current, load voltage, and load current. Please subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please comment below and share it and like it. Please hit the bell icon. Thank you.